Good morning, everybody. Trying to get things squared away this morning. Hopefully, I can fix this. There we go. Oh, let's see. Alright, how's everybody doing this morning? Hope everybody's having a wonderful Thursday. Wonderful Thursday morning. I know that I'm having a pretty good day. I just realized that my wallpaper engine stuff on my computer isn't working. That's no bueno. Anyway, I definitely was having a rough day yesterday. I was trying to get on and get ready to stream, and my PC updated and it caused all kinds of weird issues. I was having sound issues. Obviously I'm having some app issues. And now I've got my my desktop background's not working. So yeah, still having a pretty good day. Today I'm working on finishing up my game so I can get it ready for publish. So there's a few things I need to tweak on it just to kind of get it somewhat ready to go. And then I'm going to work through the publishing process and see if I can get it dumped out to itch.io. That's the plan, at least. And just get it out there and be done with it for now. So that's what I'm going to try to do this morning. Gotta figure out where everything's at now. There we go. It's been a few days since I set all this stuff up, so I'm a little slow getting going this morning. Let's see. I want to close this now that I got my desktop backgrounds back. All right. Let's see, I was also looking at a few of those. I've been trying to organize all of my sprites and other content that I have that I've downloaded and purchased over the last few years, and it is just chaotic, and I still haven't figured out the best way to organize it. So that's what I was kind of looking at before I was getting started this morning. Let's see. It's not gonna be anything too crazy. I do want to I want to create a new scene for credits. And I will put it here. So we'll start by saying create a new scene. It's gonna be a 2D scene. I need my fan on, and ow, whatever I just do, it turned and it hurt. Wow. Copy that and we'll put that here. I think I'm just gonna have just one giant rich text label on it. Just like this. And then actually, I think I'm gonna do that. I need to make that a little wider. Oh, I didn't actually put anything, useful there. Make this all the way down. There we go. And I think that's gonna be too big. I need to make the text size a little smaller. There we go. Just realized I went to Bobby's Twitch page. I heard him talking. It kind of made me a little uncomfortable because I'm like, I shouldn't hear him. But his page was playing on Twitch, so got it. That's not what I want. Scenes, UI, credits. All right, so now I want to put I just want to put a button on each of the different game scenes to just pull up that, and I think that's it. So yeah, okay, yep, easy enough. We'll actually just copy this, put it like that. Actually, I shouldn't do that. Let's just add a node. Call it a button. This button is going to be called credits. So I'll make that 40. We'll make this one a little bit theme. There we go. Theme override. Font size. I like how it starts it back at 1. There we go. Do this on button up. Keep them the same. And then we'll say tree, call deferred, change scene to file, scenes, scene. now I can copy this and we'll put it on game over. And we'll do the same thing. Oh, it actually put all that in. Nice. And win should have the same. Not inside there, but sure it's there. Yep. All right. So now do a build. Oh, I'm getting errors. Oh, I didn't have. God, I didn't create it right. I wasn't thinking. That's my fault. That's my fault. I put it. Yeah, I screwed that up. That's my bad. My bad. We'll just do this. It's easier anyway. And put the right path. So game over. Main scene. No. Don't like the script editor here. It always confuses me. So yeah, starting scene. That is the intro. And game over. Okay, oh, that's right. Which, does this have, no, game over. That game over must not have it. I'm confused. Why? So credits. So now we're gonna go to game over. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, no, they're using the same script. I mean, it's fine, I think. And then it's this one. Okay, now we're gonna run it. Now it's gonna work. Hey, look at that. And now credits is really weirdly off center. Oh yeah, no, it is very weirdly off center because I put it that way. There we go. I got this. I got things. It's fine. There we go. It's all happy now. Happy days. Let's see. Ha. I don't know. Winzard. I don't know what that all means. There we go. Alright, so project settings. So there's that. Yeah, I think I want to do that. I have one that I created. Because it does this. Yeah, that's what I want. Gotta wait for it to finish loading though. Actually, I don't know if I do or not. Let's up one. Open it, file manager. That's what I want. So bring this one over here. Close this because I don't need it anymore. Let's close all this down. Minimize things. Okay, I have a logo folder. Oh, I already have it in here. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, so now I got the project settings done. All right, so I need it to be web. Manage export templates. Oh, downloading. Here we go. Download them or install from a file. Enhance. Okay. Okay, so I think they're done. So now I do it again. Export. Web. Sweet. I could probably make it some target platform. Target platform. Where's ET2 ACS texture compression? Enable compression. I don't know what that did. Let's see. Export all media sources in the project. Encrypt index files. I don't know. Not really necessary for this. All right, so export path. We're gonna come up one. That's weird that it takes me. I don't know. We'll say create a folder. We'll call it. Okay. So we'll save it there. Oh. Okay. I don't think I need to do anything else. So export. Save. So I got an error. Following features. Cross origin isolate. Okay, so I got an error. Pull it up here too. Cross origin isolation. Check. Configuration share buffer arrays. Excuse me. Didn't want to just close the whole page. That was a mistake. Let's open this up in code and see what the page. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it's HTML5. That looks good. So, it's keeping everything local. So, do I need to dump it out on a web server to test it? Well, I mean, I guess I can throw it out on a web server. I have one. Let's try it. We'll just call it Jam because it's easier to type. It's got underscores in it, right? It does. Yeah, screw you. Secure context. I'm not using secure context on my local server. Incorrect headers. Alright, oops. Oh, I actually want that. No. Export to browser. Test locally. I need to be able to test it locally. Yeah, okay. Exporting the web generates several files to be served from a web server, including a default HTML page for presentation. Okay. To ensure low latency and the availability to use threads in web exports. Good for web exports. Always use shared array buffers. This requires a secure context while also requiring the following CORS headers to be set when serving files. If you don't control the web server or unable to access the ROM specials, use COI service worker as a workaround. I wonder if that just means I can just... I wonder if I can just throw it up there and test it. Let's try it. Log in. I'm not logged in anymore. Oh, damn, I'm gonna put a code now too. Bugger. Oops. I clicked it and I didn't mean to. Oh, it's still there. Still there. Oh, are you kidding me? It doesn't know about, well, maybe I've logged with GitHub. No, not now. Hey, there it works. All right. We're going to create a new project. There we go. Game, it is HTML. We'll say it's released. Someone download your project will be asked for donation before you get access. Well, no payments are necessary for this one. So it has to be a zip, and it has to have index.html. So let's rename. It's not what I wanted to do at all. Didn't want to double click it. Now 7-zip, add it to the game. Uploading. Uploading. Well, hang on. What is this? This will be played in the browser. Embedding page. It's mobile friendly. I think it has to be landscape. Give it a full screen button. Call it other. Yeah, so I want it to be draft and then save. Scripting wrote. Hey. It is really big though, because you can see all the stuff. Okay, so I need to make it smaller. Let's edit. Edit. Okay, let's figure out what this width and stuff is. No, I need to change to a different scene. Scenes. Yeah, here we go. This is the one that actually needs to be. Yeah, I think that's the right one, right? Yeah, it's the camera size, so. How do I know how big this dang thing is? So it's in transform. That's where I was. I'm blind. I'm blind. Well, here it's gotta be 500. Oh, it's probably the same, right? 1,000 by I don't know what that value is right there. Maybe that's up here, maybe? I don't know. Nope. Well, yeah, well, it's clearly too high, that's for sure. Because it needs to be a lot smaller. Because it needs to be like that. Mm-hmm. I want to Google first. So it doesn't have a size, it has a viewport. Camera 2D default viewport size. My back is super itchy today. Oh, itchy, itchy. Bum, 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 bum. Mm-hmm. Okay, so maybe I need to come and change some of these settings. I don't want a full screen button because I don't think that'll work then. Yep, let's... I mean, I guess I could just play around with it, right? And I know... Actually, let me run it from here. Because this is the size that I want it to be. Oh, I can resize it. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe because I can resize it in the game. Oh, here we go. There's the default viewport. It is not resizable. So 1152 by 648. Ooh, sound effects. Scared me. Project setting. 1152 by 648. That seems... It's bigger than what they have here. Well, let's save that. And we'll refresh the page, and then we'll restart it and see if it changes anything. Yeah, it's still too big. Oops. Mm-hmm. I mean, I could do things probably to make... Maybe I need to just fix that so it doesn't show it. So that viewport can't be any bigger. What if I make it full screen? I don't know if that'll make any difference though in the... Actually, no, that makes it the whole game work. I don't have a quit button. Abort. I need Alt F. Oh, I actually have a shortcut key called Alt F4. Probably shouldn't have that, should I? Oops. Oh my god. Yeah, I know, there's something else wrong. In administrator mode. Oops, that's what I want. That's the one. Alright. Yeah, let's not do... Oh, I killed Godot completely doing that. Oops. Oopsie. Windowed. Maybe that's it. It stretched the viewport. Oh, I just realized though I made it, so I gotta re-export it. Yeah. A zip file. Don't export with debug. It already just exports it that way. I like that. Nope, that is not what I want. That's definitely not what I want. Something fell that I didn't touch. Interesting. We're getting that time of year where critters are trying to come into the house, so I gotta make sure that I don't get somebody that's not supposed to be here in the house. Is it all the same time? Yeah, almost. I'm gonna delete everything from this folder, export it again. There we go. Now we got less stuff. Okay, upload a file. And we play in the browser. There, now it looks like it's supposed to. I mean, it's a little pixelated, but I don't particularly care about that at the moment. Restart. What? Oh, oops. Okay, that works again. Go to the export folder. Delete all the files, then export. Zip it. Zip it good. And now I'm going to try to change that viewport dimension to be 1152 by 648. Excuse me. 11:52, 6:48. Now credits doesn't do anything. Gosh, dang it. On credits button up. All right. Export. Yet again. Yep, export. Do it. Files. 7-zip it. I should just write a script to fix all this. I should do that. And we'll close it. Scroll back up. Upload another file. This will be played in the browser. Save. View the page. Credits. Works. I don't have a back button though. Yeah, that seems to be a flaw, doesn't it? Restart. Okay, so it works now. All right. That only took a lot longer than it should have, I believe. I believe that it took more effort than I thought it would. So I think let's go back to this page. It has some edit the theme. Oh, I can have my own banners and stuff. Cool. There. Save. Oh, takes me back to this page, which I'm already on. Excuse me. I don't know. I'm just playing around with that. I don't need a donation for this garbage. Okay, so I want to put it to public. So there we go. It is now live. And, you know, I don't have hardly any information. Which is okay, because it's a start. It's an what was I gonna say? It's a new thing. It's new. New devlog. What? Post a devlog. Cool. I'm not doing that. Not right now, at least. Okay, so if I hit save, and now if I go back to my dashboard, oh, there we go. I can go to the Pirate Software Game Jam in 4 months. Visual novel jam. I like it. Generate short download keys to hand out. Oh, for like games and stuff. Cool. Cool. All right, so I got that. That's all squared away and done-ish. So let's close all these. Let's set up now OneDrive documents. I thought this was all in Godot. Oh, that's practice. That one's not the right one. I swear this is all in GitHub. No, apparently it is not. That one's got to git ignore. Okay. Cool. I thought there was a thing in here. It's all Android templates, user data, version control. Okay, so it's not in version control. Well, I done screwed that one up then, didn't I? Let's get it put into version control then. Oh, no, I don't have it in here. Okay, well, we'll put it in here. Oh, I don't want to see that one. Excuse me. And it's Lizard Wizard. I'm not going to add a README for now. I'm not going to add that. I don't know. I'll worry about a license later. I just want to get it added for the moment. Okay, so we are in that project. So yeah, we'll do echo. Into the README file. Get init. And then git add all. I don't like it first. I like initial. Commit. Git branch dash m. Oh, it is lowercase m. Main. And then I'll just copy these because I don't want to screw up that. Yep, paste anyway. I mean, we're pushing. Changing 1500. There it is. Nice. All right. Now it's in source control. So now I've got that. That's loaded. This is a thing. I can add an icon. That's kind of cool. And you failed. No, it works. Sort of. Sound effects actually, I don't think, are working right. Oh, cool. Sweet! It is fixed and finished. So I can call that one wrapped for now. Let's see, what time is it? It is 6:20. Unfortunately, I don't want to start anything new since I'm gonna have to actually go to work pretty soon. Actually, no, I'll have to start getting kids ready for school before I go to work, but I mean, they are one and the same anymore. Let's see, what other things are happening? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna quit a little early today. Cause yeah, I've got it published. I've got it out there. It's good to go. And I think then, what is today? Today's Thursday. So tomorrow, yeah, I'll write a little code in the morning. I'll probably come back to what's the one I've been working on? Why isn't my brain working? It's right here. Oh yeah, the one with my game, yeah, API stuff. I want to kind of work on that one a little bit more and wrap it up before I move on to the next, whatever you want to call it, next big tests thing, experiment thing, project, whatever we want to call that. Yeah, so we will, yeah, we'll do that tomorrow, and then it's Friday, so I only have to work for a couple hours. I think I've only got to work like 3.5 hours, 4 hours. So that I might even do some streaming later in the afternoon. Maybe it's Friday, so I'll probably end up playing some games maybe on Friday. That could be fun. So yeah, so I think for until the morning, we will come back to my other development stuff, and then yeah. So I think everybody take it easy. Have a great Thursday. And yeah, we'll see everybody tomorrow morning, bright and early. Hopefully I can wake up on time and not sleep through my snooze, my alarm, like I did twice today. All right, everybody, take it easy. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If I hit the right buttons.